These are our circulating air dryers from the UT series. These make it possible to set up a complete cleaning line in combination with our ultrasonic baths, consisting of cleaning, rinsing and drying. The circulation dryers are perfectly matched to the sizes of the baskets. This ensures a seamless transition from cleaning to drying. They are available in 3 sizes: size UT16, UT40, UT75. For larger cleaning volumes, the circulation dryers can be loaded with the MB lifting device in the same way as our RM ultrasonic baths, this guaranteeing an ergonomic and smooth process. The cleaned and rinsed parts can be placed with the basket from the RM tank on the floor of the recirculating air dryer and are exposed to air temperatures of up to 140 degrees Celsius, and this dried quickly and efficiently. The circulating air is sucked in at the bottom via a fan and released back onto the parts via the side walls of the drying chamber. Thanks to the efficient airflow, even complex parts are completely dried in a very short time.
More than clean, BANDELIN.